Hi everybody. Thank you for your feedback and concern and comments so far. Today we are going to discuss about type of nanoparticles being used and synthesized in the nanotechnology. Let's first recap what we discussed so far. So we first discussed that nanoparticle, which is by definition, these are the engineered particle in the size range of 100 nanometer, at least at one dimension. In the right side, you can see that the gold nanoparticles, which are 6 to 7 nanometer in particle size, and we also discussed that what is the 1 nanometer. This is the unit of length in the metric system, which is equal to 1 billionth of a meter. And below this you can see that the one metric in terms of the kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer and angstrom, which is equal to what the digits of the nanometer. And to compare, you can also see that what are the molecules in our body or around us are present in the nanometer scale, which are around in nanometer, like DNA helix, which is 2 nanometer, and DNA turn, as we all know, that 3.4 nanometer. And similarly, like albumin proteins, several globulins, cell membrane and membrane protein structures are in nanometer range. So let's talk about type of nanoparticles, and today we will talk about that nanoparticle based on their atomic, chemical nature and their origin. So first we will talk about the metal nanoparticle, and if we see the periodic table, uh, there are several elements which are metal and some are non-metal, as you can see here in the periodic table. So by definition, what is the metal? Metal is a solid material that is typically hard, shiny, malleable, fusible, and ductile with good electrical and the thermal conductivity. In nanotechnology, gold, silver, platinum, copper, palladium, ruthenium, iron, and nickel are the major metals you use to create nanoparticles because of their unique properties and applications in the wide range of area, which we will discuss in the further talk. In the bottom picture you can see the transmission electron microscope and the fluorescence property of the nanoparticle solutions you can see. So we will discuss these properties later in the talk. The second is the metal oxide nanoparticles. So what are the oxides? Oxides are, as you can see in the image of the silicon dioxide, which is most common oxides present on the surface of Earth. And oxide is basically a chemical compound that contain at least one oxygen atom in their chemical structure. And metal oxide typically contains an anion of oxygen in the oxidation state of -2. In the nanotechnology, the titanium dioxide, silicon dioxide, zinc oxide, iron oxide, tin, copper, cerium oxide, magnesium, nickel, and aluminum oxides are studied more than other oxides due to their applications in biomedical sector, uh, engineering sector, thin film, solar cell, and the biological applications. In the image at the bottom, you can see the single zinc oxide nanoparticle, which was synthesized using the fungi. The other type of nanoparticle include the carbon-based nanomaterial, and carbon is so important, and carbon is the sixth most abundant available element in the universe and second most abundant element by mass in the human body after oxygen. There are three natural allotrope of the carbon present in the nature, like graphite, diamond, and amorphous carbon. In the bottom you can see the several in the bottom structure you can see several carbon nanomaterial like diamond, amorphous carbon, fluorine, it's typically called C60, single wall carbon nanotube, multi wall carbon nanotube, graphite, and graphene. Recently, these carbon-based nanomaterial have unique due to their unique properties. They have huge application in the biomedical sector. The last type of nanoparticle today we are going to discuss is organic nanoparticle, and these nanoparticles are assembly of various organic molecules like liposomes and DNA. These are the two quick examples which we can discuss. These nanoparticles can be used to load the drug or to surface functionalize the drug, uh, and their particular importance for the sensing and the biomedical applications. I hope you get some insight about type of nanoparticles being used in nanotechnology. So in the coming weeks, we will discuss more interesting things about the properties and their applications of these materials, how these material can be synthesized, how we can observe these materials, because these particles we cannot see by naked eyes. So thank you so much, and please keep sending your comments, suggestions, and I will keep improving based on your feedback. Thank you so much. If everything is okay as per expectations, see you next time.